From my perspective, the next big thing in AI isn't just about creating text, images, code, and videos. It's about building AI that can actually make its own decisions and pursue goals. Tools like ChatGPT are impressive, sure, but they're just scratching the surface of what AI can really do. What I'm talking about is agentic AI, the next step in AI evolution, and it's going to completely change how machines interact with the world around us. Let me break down the difference between what we have now, generative AI, and this new agentic AI. Generative AI, the kind behind ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude, is basically a super smart pattern matcher. You give it a prompt, and it digs through tons of data to give you a fitting response, whether it's writing a poem, creating an image, or fixing code. It's amazing, but it's reactive. It responds to prompts without truly understanding the context or having any long-term goals. Agentic AI, on the other hand, operates with a level of independence. It can set its own goals, figure out how to achieve them, and even change its approach based on what's happening around it. Think of it this way. Generative AI is like a highly skilled assistant waiting for instructions, while agentic AI is more like a colleague who can take charge and work towards broader objectives on their own. For example, a generative AI might help you write an email if you ask it to, but an agentic AI could proactively manage your inbox, spot important messages, draft replies based on your past communications, and even schedule follow-up meetings, all while adapting to your feedback and shifting priorities. What makes agentic AI so groundbreaking is how it's built. Generative AI is great at processing and creating content based on patterns and data. But a agentic system includes sophisticated planning tools, memory systems, and decision-making frameworks that let them keep track of context and pursue objectives over time. They can break down big tasks into smaller steps, prioritize actions, and even realize when their current strategy isn't working and needs to be changed. We're already seeing hints of this convergence between generative and agentic capabilities. OpenAI's scheduled tasks in ChatGPT are a good example. This lets the AI operate somewhat independently, carrying out scheduled actions and handling ongoing tasks without constant prompting. It's early days, but it shows a future where AI combines the creative and analytical skills of generative AI with the independent decision-making of agentic AI. Rumors are swirling about even more ambitious projects. I've heard reports about OpenAI working on something called Operator, which could let AI agents control computers independently. There's also talk of a project called Caterpillar, which some speculate could enable AI to proactively search for information, analyze problems, and navigate digital environments with minimal human intervention. These projects definitely suggest bigger ambitions for more autonomous AI systems. The potential applications of agentic AI are huge. Imagine an AI that doesn't just schedule your meetings, but actively manages your entire workflow, anticipating problems, suggesting improvements, and handling routine tasks without you having to constantly micromanage it. In manufacturing, agentic AI could manage entire production lines, not just by following preset instructions, but by actively optimizing processes and responding to unexpected issues in real time. As these systems get more advanced, I believe we'll see a real shift in how we interact with AI. Instead of just giving commands, we'll have more of a collaborative relationship, with AI engaging in actual discussions, suggesting different solutions, and even challenging our own thinking when needed. This could lead to incredible human-machine collaboration, where AI becomes less of a tool and more of a partner in problem-solving and innovation. Of course, developing agentic AI isn't without its challenges. We need to think carefully about things like transparency and decision-making, ethical boundaries, and how much autonomy these systems should have. How do we make sure they stay aligned with human values while still being able to operate independently? How do we balance the benefits of automation with the need for human oversight? These are critical questions we need to answer as we move forward. This shift from generative to agentic AI is a fundamental change in what we think AI can be. As these systems become more sophisticated and widespread, they have the potential to transform industries, boost human capabilities, and open up new possibilities in human-machine collaboration. The key is to develop and use these technologies thoughtfully, with clear guidelines for accountability and control. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe to be notified when we post more videos like this.